خلال المنتدى الاقتصادي العالمي في دافوس، قال وزير الاقتصاد والتخطيط السعودي فيصل الإبراهيم إن الاقتصاد العالمي أثبت صمودا رغم تصاعد حالة عدم اليقين والمخاطر الجيوسياسية.
As we reflect on the global outlook, uncertainty has weighed heavily on expectations. Expectations about growth, inflation, debt, trade, investment, and of course geopolitical risk. Yet the reality has been more resilient than expected. Despite uncertainty, the global economy has endured, adjusted, and continued to move forward. But what is clear, and perhaps clearer this year than ever before, is what has surfaced as we have tried, often repeatedly, to tackle these challenges. Pragmatism has become scarce. Trust has become increasingly transactional. Collaboration is narrowing and, in fact, sometimes losing momentum. And too often voices speak, but fewer are truly heard. And if we think about it, if we think about stability, stability can't be quickly built, and it can't be bought. Stability needs to be founded, nurtured, protected, reinforced, and guided. Stability is non-negotiable. When trust and collaboration are genuine, they compound over time, reinforcing one another so that progress holds when circumstances change. This is where the focus must shift. Like our colleague said, not towards the status quo, but towards the ingredients that make collaboration actually count, and the persistence to remain engaged even when views diverge, especially when views diverge. No single convening, no matter how well-intentioned, will resolve every global challenge. But each time there's an opportunity for all of us to be resolute and deeply invested. We cannot keep talking about multiple futures. What future do we want to see? And what are we going to do to get there? Seriously and repetitively. As much as we want to believe this boxing match will end with a knockout blow, reality keeps reminding us and teaching us that this is the full 12 rounds. And it is in this spirit that I'm honored to extend an invitation to you to join us in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, for the World Economic Forum Global Collaboration and Growth Meeting this April, under the patronage of His Royal Highness Crown Prince and Prime Minister Mohammed bin Salman. This forms part of an ongoing effort that builds on the momentum of the World Economic Forum special meeting held in Riyadh, and more importantly, on the platform Saudi Arabia has become, a global capital of pragmatism and of consequence. At a time when the global economy is confronting long-standing structural challenges, this effort helps move cooperation from intent to outcome by setting clear expectations, anchoring responsibilities, and ultimately making dialogue count. See you all in Jeddah. Thank you very much.
أيضا خلال دافوس قال وزير المالية السعودي أنه لا يتوقع أي تغيير على أسعار النفط في أي وقت قريب رغم التطورات الأخيرة في فنزويلا.
I don't think that you will see any serious impact in the oil market. Any increase will take time and will take significant investments. And the worry that we should really focus on is not just Venezuela. The worry is you need to make sure that your calculation of the energy demand and the energy supply and the price levels at which investments will flow into the oil market will incentivize investors